Hi, welcome once again. In the last video, we spoke about the power of thoughts. Today, I will talk to you about certain other tools that I have picked up over in my life and that have helped me formulate the things that I use to guide my incubatees with. Vethathiri Maharishi also taught us many other things. He taught us of how anger should not be controlled, but it needs to be neutralized. Thoughts have to be analyzed and categorized according to what kind of thoughts they are, and then we have to do the cleaning, everyday cleaning of thoughts. And worries, my God, those are something that is so internal and so within ourselves that we destroy our body and minds with it. So worries, how do you eradicate them totally, not have them within at all? And how do you moralize your desires? Desires keep cropping up. They are the silent killers as well. They will come up when you least expect them. You can't avoid or run away from them, but you can take them, keep them in front of you, and try and see if they are really what you want in life. And if there are some things that can be discarded, we have techniques of teaching people how to discard them. And finally, the big question of who we are in this world. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry seem like demons for entrepreneurs. The vendor is a person who's out to make life miserable for the entrepreneurs. The customers are out to get at them. And there are so many problems. There are taxes. There is the cash flow that has to be looked into. So many issues. For each one of these issues, if the entrepreneur were to get stressed out, then the health of the entrepreneur is really going to go down, and therefore his ability or her ability to manage the initiative. So before even the idea to do a particular business is set, our incubation process helps people to analyze themselves and to be so strong in the way they manage themselves that when they get into the game of running an enterprise, they are very fit. So all this is about mental fitness. Then there is the physical fitness as well. We really encourage them to stay fit physically, exercises, yoga, things that you need to stretch out and keep your muscles toned up. These are very essential. Sometimes my incubatees start laughing, but I tell them that if they can't keep their health in check, then they are not going to succeed. I'm a cancer patient, cancer survivor myself. And today, if I'm so healthy, it is thanks to all these practices. And lastly, the food that we eat. It was one of our incubatees who taught us that whole food plant-based diet is the one that will help us and keep us fit and not make us run to the doctor. You won't believe it. When I used to eat food the way everybody else in society eats, I used to visit the doctor at least once in a fortnight. It's been over 3 years now. I've not been to a doctor. So that is the beauty of eating food right and keeping your body healthy. And when you do meditation and introspection, the way I explained to you in the beginning of the video, then you're in total control of yourself. And when you are in control of things that you are doing, thinking, and acting upon, that is the best way to live life and way to run businesses as well. Be blessed.